We've used Clark a couple of times now on some projects around the house. We've had them remodel bathrooms, replace some windows, and we had been thinking about getting our deck redone. We have a beautiful view and we really didn't feel like we were taking advantage of it. It's a great space for relaxing. You have the bar, you can have some drinks while the chef is cooking with the outdoor kitchen, and then we can move over to the dining area. We wanted a space where we could use it to relax, enjoy the sun, but also entertain in the evenings, be able to have meals out here, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We were able to really get 3 different spaces out here on the deck for 3 different purposes. We're very happy with the work that Clark did, with the creativity that they brought to the projects. The process that Clark goes through, it's very clear what's going to happen and how much it's going to cost. A lot of it comes in thorough planning. You want to be very specific and very clear up front, and I think that investment that you make up front pays off at the end.